This is an example how a circuit board looks like. It's a collection of footprint, each matching an actual component. And those components are connected one to each other with a very thin copper connection called routing. That's how everything is being connected. And every product around us, if it's our phones, if it's our watch, if it's the TV, the house, if it's the circuit inside the microwave, it's the circuit inside our vehicles. We are surrounded by circuit boards on every step that we do. What we do with this board is that we assemble it, which means that now the board that you saw earlier that was vacant from component now has all different type of components. And when you're powering this board, they give you a certain functionality.
We're here today at NovTech, and I couldn't be even more excited, not only that it was an existing business that outgrew their space more than once, and now they're here. They create and manufacture circuit boards for so many industries that it's incredible. But get past that. The owner, Yossi, is very interested in having students here and come and learn under his guise. And how wonderful is that? Not only high school students in the technical fields, those that are interested in engineering, but college students. So anyone that is thinking about that or those fields, please reach out to NovTech, the owner, and you won't be disappointed.
I think it's amazing when you see where they started in their home in Parkland, they expanded to Coral Springs, and they expanded to Coconut Creek, and now they've expanded even more in Coconut Creek. I think that's what's so special about this area is that there are opportunities for people to start their business, for those businesses to thrive, and that there are places for them to go in the community to be supported as they're expanding. I think this is a perfect example of that, and I love that they picked Coconut Creek, and they were thanking Coconut Creek for being such a wonderful place, not only to have their business, but also to have an opportunity to expand their business.
We started as an engineering design house, designing product for other companies. Companies will approach us, say this is the idea, give us a specification. It can be on a short list on a napkin and up to 200 pages of specification for the product, and we'll design it. And in the last 6 years, we started to engage in manufacturing. We started with a process called rapid prototype, where we can build prototypes, 1, 2, 3, 5, up to a few dozens boards, to the point that we kept growing, and now we can do full manufacturing with our current capacity that can be a few 100,000 boards a year. I started working from home, from a small room, and then I grew up to occupy a portion of the garage and then larger portion of the garage, and it took 20 years to get out and go to an office. We started with a 1,500 square foot office. Now we are way more than that, and this 6,000 square foot facility with all the production machine, and we are interacting with so many different customers in so many different industries, from developing medical device through office automation devices to industrial controller, defense stuff. We design product for the communication industry. I cannot think about something that we will not get involved with.
One.